Costco in the middle of my painting. I got word that Costco has these wreaths now that we've wanted for like 3-4 years, and so I quickly did a Costco run. Here it is. Can't believe I was willing to pay 150 bucks for this thing off of Facebook from someone last year, and they lived far away but they didn't want to ship it to me, and now we get to buy it here brand new for $70. Score! This baby's coming home with me. It's like the best day ever. It's the moment we've been waiting for years. You're a brave soul. You can do this.
Thank you.
Can't believe it's finally happening. I'm so excited. Beautiful. Looks perfect. I love it so much. It is on. I can see it now. Wanna turn it on?
I like it very much, and an ornament tells us about Savior. He's born. I love this one. One right here that I love the most.
Why do you love it?
Because it was the first Christmas I ever lived with my mom and dad. As he freezing.
Cool.
2022.
Yep, your first Christmas with us. Could be better, but I like it. Are you happy?
Yes, I'm so happy.
Finally got it done.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you have to keep this point at the bottom. Look at this. You roll it onto the tip stays under the roll.